Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. In this video I am going to tell you how to change setting in meetings of a class in MS Team so that student will not have the access to any administrative task like blocking someone or kicking out a student from the class. Okay, so for this you have to log into your team's ID. This is my team ID. I just log into my team ID. Then you have to go to your calendar. Okay, so when you click on calendar, yeah, this is the view of the calendar. Then click on your class. My class or my meeting is computer science, so I'm going to click on computer science. Okay, when you click on it will open the detail of the meetings. Now we can see here that all the detail of the meetings are available here. We are not going to change anything from the meeting. We are concerned with this thing. This is called meeting options. Okay, now when you click on meeting option, it will open in some kind of browser. Most probably it will open in Internet Explorer, as MS Team is Microsoft product and Internet Explorer is also Microsoft product, so MS Team will open its link in Internet Explorer. So it means that you have to log into your Office account or CSN account. So I'm going to log into my account. So I will click, it will ask for my password. So I will click on enter my password and sign in. As I sign in, next I will see this page. Now this page we have different options here. The first option is who can bypass the lobby. Mean they will not be needing any permission to enter into your class. Okay, so its option is people in my organization. Only people in my organization, the people having CSN ID, can only bypass the lobby. Okay, there are different three options here. People in organization and trusted one, everyone, people in my organization. We have to click only on this people in my organization. Then next one is always let callers bypass the lobby. No, we don't want any caller to bypass the lobby. Okay, so next option is announce when caller join or leave. Yes, it will be announced in the post area. Okay, then next is who can present. This is a very important one. Who can present here? The default option is everyone. Mean everyone is the organizer of the meeting. It means that he can do different tasks as a teacher can do. Okay, so when you click here, you will have different options here. People in my organization, specific people. You can make specific people of your organization as presenter, that they can present, they can start the meeting, they can stop the meeting, or they can mute any of the student or any other administrative task. Okay, so we are just going to click on only me, because you will be the only one who is going to be present, or who is going to be the presenter of the class. Okay, it will help you to keep control on your class. So we are going to click on only me. Okay, and then we are going to click on save button. When you click on save button, then after some browsing, this then appears. It means that you have successfully applied these changes to your meeting. Now these changes should be applied to all the meetings you are having. Okay, it's not only one. For example, you are taking different classes at different timings, so in every calendar, in every class, you have to go to these settings and change these settings. Okay, and this is the one way. We also have another way. For example, I just log into my account and I have started a meeting. Now everyone is familiar with this interface that we are going to have in our class. Now at the right hand side, we have participant list, people who are attending the meeting. Now here I am the only one who is the organizer here. Okay, now at the top we can see this is the download button. When you click on this button, it will download the list of the attendees at that time. Okay, now the second one, can you see these two take and cross together? When you click on this tick and cross together, it will let you open the setting of the meeting. When I click on here, it will lead me to this page. So if you are not going through the calendar, you can just start the meeting, and during the meeting you can also change these settings. Okay, so settings are the same, but ways are different. There are two ways of changing these settings. Now when you change this setting, it will help you to control your class. Okay, thank you very much.